Alright, gonna look at using this as one of the levels that we want to move up to moose because it in particular does not have a character. So that will help explore that process a little bit. Plus it has blueprints in it that we would also want to function. Um, Good chance to see where there might be some issues with moving something with that level of complexity. I'll actually play it here. And again, you see the player controller is basically a camera. We've got some features that actually like display things, um, and open and close doors, fire off some sounds, that kind of thing. I'm thinking it's a useful test because I'm locked out because I didn't do something. I don't know what it is. Let me see if I can get in there. There was some trick to getting in there. I gotta wait for that yellow light to go out. Alright, let's see if I can sneak in. I'm in. Alright. Yeah. Yeah, here we go. I don't know if I can do anything there. So, I'm thinking this will be a cool level to see what the process is. This is what it is by default. This is how it is out of the box. The next step is to, we'll finish getting the menu in the template project. And then from there, we will get this running as is with a character, a regular character, so we can walk around. I think that's going to be a minimum for moving new levels. Is like in this case, it's just a camera moving around with the capsule collider. Get that working and call that kind of a minimal step one. And then once we've done that, we'll look at the process of exporting or migrating it over to Moose, and that is a little more complex. I have noticed that there are some issues that unless you do it carefully, sometimes textures don't move and you don't get the whole scene. So I think this has got enough moving parts that it's going to be a good opportunity to explore making sure that all of the moving parts can be migrated into a map that can be moved or packaged up in such a way that we'll be able to get it into moves. But so I'm looking at this one as a good test level with enough complexity, and yet not so overwhelming as far as graphics and stuff goes that it'll be a good test level. So this is going to be the blueprint. I forget what they call this, a blueprint office demo, and this is going to be my first target as a more complex map to move into Moose once we've validated that we have the minimal template moved into Moose cleanly, which has nothing in it. So that's kind of the first test is with nothing in it, and this is a test with something that has quite a bit of stuff in it, but not overwhelming. So there we go. Yeah.